Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to COBOL, where we will learn how we can use inspect statement or inspect keyword in order to perform some modification to your existing string. And that modification would be related to replacement. So just assume a scenario where we are supposed to replace one particular character from a particular another character. Okay, so in that case what we can do, we can utilize the inspect keyword. So inspect keyword will help us to simply change one character to another character as per our requirement. So in this session we are going to talk about this. If you have covered the previous session, then you know that we have already discussed some scenarios related to inspect keyword for fetching the count of single occurrence of character or multiple occurrence of a character. So this session is in the continuation of the same, but today we will mainly focus on how we can utilize inspect keyword for replacing one occurrence of character with another. Clear? So if you have not watched previous session, then I recommend you to please go and check out the previous session first, because there we have already covered the basic things like how we can use inspect keyword, what is inspect keyword. Okay, and even like I would recommend you to go and check out the entire playlist from a sequence. Why? Because these all sessions are in proper sequence and sync. So if you cover sessions sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic, because right now we are just focusing on inspect keyword. So just to discuss the same, let's go inside the program test pgm1, which I have already created for a demo purpose. So here I'm taking option 2. As I mentioned, like basic thing we have already discussed, like what is the structure of COBOL program, how to write divisions, why we have kept these space extra. Okay, so these all things we have already discussed. So for now, we are just focusing on the inspect keyword, and I'll just quickly recap these things in a shorter way. Okay, because there might be some viewers who are directly referring this session. So just for them, I'll quickly explain these things. Okay, so what is identification division? Identification division is mainly used to store the information related to program identity. So here you can see we are storing the program ID, which is nothing but a program name. So it is denoting program name. You can match it with here. Okay. Then we have author, which is denoting the author name. So you can see author name is Sharmit. Then we have uh, then we have declared the comment line. Now why do we have declared comment line? Comment line is mainly used to show the topic name or the comment. Okay, so to declare the comment line you just need to start from first position and then count till 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is 7th position. After that whatever you will write here will be considered as a commented line. So you can see we have declared 3 commented line. If your comment line is not coming in white color, it's completely okay. Why? Because I have added some additional setting here in order to change the comment line color. But if it is not changed in your scenario, no problem, because it will work same. It doesn't matter like in which color your comment are, it will work as it is. Okay, so don't get confused here. Now here I just put the topic name, which is replace all occurrence of a character, the main topic of our today's session. Then we have initiated the data division. Inside this data division, we have working storage section. Now, why do we need working storage section? Working storage section is mainly used in order to show or in order to declare all the variables that you are going to utilize throughout your program. So as per your requirement, like right now I just need only one variable, that's why I have declared only one variable under this working storage section. But if you want to utilize more than one, it could be 10, 20 or as per your requirement. So accordingly you will declare all the variable under this working storage section. Now we will understand the line number 12. We'll see how we are declaring this variable and also understand the requirement of our task. So to declare the variable, first thing we need to specify is level number. So here level number 01 is denoting the higher data hierarchy. Higher data hierarchy. Then we have str. What str is representing? It is representing the data name or a variable name. So whenever you want to access this variable throughout the program, you will use the same name, which is str, in order to access this variable. So that's why it is known as variable name or data name. Then we have PIC, which is denoting the picture clause. X of 40 is denoting alphanumeric 40 characters. Later we have value clause. Value clause is always an optional clause, but for this scenario, yes, we do need a value clause. So that's why I have specified it like this. So it is mainly used to initialize the value. So if you wanted to initialize value in a variable, then you will use it value clause. So here I'm assigning some string to it, and you can see this is written as deduction with podcast. But here you can see only two characters are there, which is in a small case. And my requirement is that I just want to replace this small t's with capital T's in order to match these case with other words. Okay. So this is our requirement. We want to replace small t with capital T. In your scenario it might be different. You might be you want to convert this capital H to something else. Okay, so mainly for this example I'm just assuming that we just wanted to replace this small t with capital T. So for that we will utilize inspect keyword. So let's see how we are utilizing inspect keyword for this. So we are initiating the procedure division. Now what is procedure division? Procedure division is mainly used to store the main logic of your program. So after that, whatever you will write will be considered as a main logic of your program. Clear? Then we are using inspect keyword. Now those who are directly referring this session, just for them, I would like to give the definition again, that inspect keyword or inspect statement is used to examine and modify the string as per our requirement. So when you want to modify or examine the string as per your requirement, then you will utilize the inspect keyword. So here we are utilizing it for performing the replacement operation. So for that you just need to write inspect space str space replacing all t's by capital T's. So now you can see the beauty of COBOL program. Here in COBOL, whatever you will write will be read as a simple English statement, and from that statement itself everything is clear. Inspect str, that means it is inspecting str string variable, replacing all small t's by capital T's, and then it is replacing small t's with capital T's. And then you will see that yes, this line is executing the, this is the line which is exactly this is the exact line which is performing the replacement operation for str string, and it is replacing small t with capital T. Once we are done with this line, then we will display the output just to show the difference, like how it is replaced the string. And remember one thing, we are not providing any additional variable to store the output. We are passing only one variable, so it will replace the string because inspect key will perform the modification, and then whatever output we will be getting will be stored into this str itself. Okay, so no additional variable we are passing here. Then on line number 18 we are displaying the output. So str after replacing character, this is just a text which I want to show user with the replacement string, and then we are showing the actual output with a str. So when line number 18 will get executed, it will populate the replace string, and then we are using stop run, which will stop the execution of program. So let's see the output. I'm compiling this program and calling it. So after a call, you can see str after replacing characters, detection with podcast, and every character written here is in capital letters. Previously we were having small t's here and here, but after performing replacement operation through inspect keyword, we have changed both t to capital, both small t's to capital T's, and that's why we are getting the desired output. Okay, so I hope this entire session is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.